Hello everyone, welcome back to NityaCloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we are going to talk about Power BI filters. So let's try to understand filter first. Filter basically help us to provide the subset of data. So let's say you have thousands of records, but for some specific requirement, you want to see only 500 or 600 records. So filter basically help you to display only those records which you want to see. So you can filter the data as per the business requirement. So if I take a small example, so let's say we have this region by sales, central, east, south, west. Let's say we have different regional manager. So central regional manager don't have interest to see any other sales. So he can basically filter on central. So he can basically see the central region sales. He can filter out the other three records like this. So similarly, we have like different options, and based on the options, we can select. We can like, let's say if we have like year-wise data, let's say 2020, 21, 22, and after that we have country, different country, and different other attributes. So if I need to filter, let's see, I need to see only 2021 data, and I need to select a specific country. So I can use that to see those individual records. Now let's talk about type of filters in Power BI. So we have basically 4 type of standard filters in Power BI. So first one is visual label filter. So visual label filter, basically it is applied on a specific visual. Under visual label, we have 3 subcategory, I can say. So one is basic filtering, where you can just select the different options. Other is advanced filtering, where you can write the, or you can put the condition like specific condition is greater than 0 or less than 0, something like this. So we are just discussing now, but whenever I will like do practical on this, you will better understand. And the third one is top n, top or bottom n. So basically this is used to, whenever you want to see top 5 customer, top 5 product, or bottom 5 customer, bottom 5 product, in this case we use this filtering option. Okay, another option, another category of filter is page label filter. So page label filter is applied on a specific page. It means, let's say you have 4 or 5 visuals on your page, then it will applied on all the 4 visuals, but visual label filter will work on only the specific visual. If I talk about the subcategory of this, so there are 2: basic filtering and advanced filtering. We don't have option here top or bottom because we are not doing for individual visual. And third one is report label filter. So report label filter is, as you are aware, in Power BI we can create multiple page, and on multiple page we can create multiple visual. So if I have a specific requirement, my specific filter should be applied on all the pages. For that I will use report label filter. So difference between page and report is, page label work on only the single page, and the report label filter will work on all the pages. Again, I can use basic and advanced filtering subcategory here. And the next one, last one, I can say drill through filter. So drill through filter basically like some help us to basically see the detailed data. So for that we have to create 2 pages. On the first page we have summary level data, and on the another page we have detail level data. So example, let's say I want to see year level sales, that is my summary. Let's say 2008, 10, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now if someone want to see the specific detail like 2020, how how much sales of each month of 2020, so we can see using del through filter. Or let's say we have category wise sales and we have multiple categories. So on high level, on summary level, we want to see these specific information on category wise, but on detail level we want to see specific subcategory of each category. In that case we can also use del through filter. So I hope this will be helpful for you guys, and we will discuss one by one all of the filter practically. Thank you everyone.